You're browsing Amazon, cart overflowing with must-haves. But wait. Your wallet's feeling a little light. Can I use Beforepay at Amazon? Is the question burning in your mind? Well, grab your favorite beverage and settle in, because we're about to dive deep into this burning question. Beforepay is a popular buy now, pay later (BNPL) service that lets you spread the cost of your purchases over time. It's a tempting option when you need something now but want to manage your cash flow better. But does this convenient payment method work with the retail giant, Amazon? Unfortunately, there's no simple yes or no answer. Here's the lowdown. Directly on Amazon, no, you can't directly use Beforepay at checkout on the Amazon website or app. Amazon has its own payment options like Amazon Pay, credit cards, and debit cards. Workarounds: while direct integration isn't available, there might be some workarounds. Third-party sellers: some third-party sellers on Amazon might offer Beforepay as a payment option. Keep an eye out for the Beforepay logo or payment options during the checkout process. Indirect purchases: you could use Beforepay to purchase an Amazon gift card from a participating retailer. Then, you can use the gift card to make purchases on Amazon. Why the limited availability? Amazon's payment ecosystem: Amazon has a well-established and preferred payment system. Integrating new BNPL services can be complex and may not align with their current priorities. Competition: Amazon likely has existing partnerships with other financial institutions and may not see the immediate need to add Beforepay specifically. Alternatives to Beforepay on Amazon. Don't worry, you're not out of luck. Here are some alternative payment options available on Amazon. Amazon Pay: store your payment information securely and check out quickly with just a few clicks. Credit cards: most major credit cards are accepted, often with rewards programs. Debit cards: use your bank account funds directly for immediate purchases. Amazon Credit Card: enjoy exclusive benefits and rewards specifically for Amazon purchases. Layaway: while not as common, some sellers might offer layaway options, allowing you to pay for your item in installments over time. Tips for using BNPL services responsibly. Understand the terms, carefully review the interest rates, fees, and repayment schedules before making a purchase. Create a budget. Ensure you can comfortably afford the installment payments without impacting your other financial obligations. Pay on time. Late payments can result in penalties, fees, and damage to your credit score. Use BNPL sparingly. Treat BNPL services as a short-term solution, not a long-term financing option. While you can't directly use Beforepay at Amazon, there might be some workarounds depending on the seller. Remember to explore alternative payment options available on Amazon and always use BNPL services responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.